lightweight, long-lasting Gator board. Set up your Gator board mask file with ease. Here's how.
In this tutorial, we'll be creating two files, one for your artwork and a 100% K mask file. We'll use a mask file to first print white ink on the Gator board. When we print your artwork over white ink, its colors will stay bright against the black board. Let's get started. Open your design in a vector-based program like Adobe Illustrator. Let's rename the layer Artwork to make things simpler. Select your design, copy it, and create a new layer. This will be the mask layer. Hide the artwork layer, then paste your design into the new mask layer. Change the fill color to 100% K or black. Keep the stroke color empty. Hide the mask layer and make the artwork layer visible again. Save it as a print quality PDF. Now do the same for the mask. Hide the artwork layer, make the mask layer visible, and save it as a print quality PDF. You are now ready to submit your artwork file and mask file for print.